When it comes to drones, DJI is often the first name that comes to mind, but it's not the only option available. If you're considering a change or facing legal restrictions on DJI products, there are several impressive alternatives to explore. In this video, we'll dive into 6 of the best DJI alternatives, highlighting what sets each one apart and why they might just be your next aerial companion. Let's get started! The HoverAir X1 Pro and X1 Pro Max are upgraded versions of the original HoverAir X1 drone, offering several enhancements. They remain pocket-sized and under 200 grams, so no registration with aviation authorities is required. The X1 Pro shoots 4K video at 60 frames per second, while the X1 Pro Max offers 8K at 30 frames per second, 4K at 120 frames per second for slow motion, and 4K HDR in 10-bit HLG at up to 60 frames per second. Both models now have a longer flight time of 16 minutes, can track at speeds up to 26 miles per hour, and resist winds up to 10.7 meters per second. They support microSD storage, allowing more than 32 gigabytes of footage, and feature a 2-axis gimbal for better video stability. The drones also offer 24 frames per second across all resolutions for a cinematic look and have a new visual positioning system that enables flight over water, snow, and cliffs. The modular controller system includes the $129 beacon with a 178-inch OLED display, 1 kilometer video transmission range, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and a microphone for audio and voice commands. Additional modules, like $69 joysticks, allow for manual control and extended battery life, with a full gamepad-style option available. Accessories include a $169 power case for 2.5 drone charges, a $69 ND filter set, and a $79 multi-battery charging hub. Despite these improvements, DJI drones like the Mini 4 Pro still excel in image quality, connectivity, collision avoidance, and battery life. The Potensic Atom drone is a compact and lightweight quadcopter that packs impressive features at a budget-friendly price. Currently priced at $279.99, down from its regular $350, this drone boasts a 4K camera, a 3-axis gimbal for stable footage, and GPS capabilities. With a range of nearly 4 miles, 6 kilometers, and up to 32 minutes of flight time per battery charge, it offers exceptional performance for its size. Weighing just 32 ounces, the Atom is easy to carry and fits conveniently into any bag. Despite its compact design, it delivers video quality comparable to the more expensive Potensic Dreamer Pro, making it a strong contender in the affordable drone market. The drone's video transmission is clear, and the controls remain smooth even at a distance. The Atom is available in 2 bundles, the standard kit, which includes 1 battery, and the Fly More combo, featuring 3 batteries, a charger, and a carrying case, priced at $359.99. Both options are currently offered at discounted rates, making the Potensic Atom an excellent choice for those seeking a high-quality, budget-friendly drone. Next, we have the Auto Evo Max, a drone that's making waves, especially in the professional sector. This isn't just another drone, it's mission-ready, designed for law enforcement, search and rescue, and aerial surveys. The payload setup is impressive, with a wide-angle camera, zoom camera, thermal camera, and even a laser rangefinder, basically everything you need for critical data capture. One standout feature is the AMesh 1.0 networking. This allows multiple drones to be controlled autonomously, even without LTE coverage. And if one drone drops out, the rest self-organize and keep the mission going. It's next-level collaboration. With 720-degree obstacle avoidance and anti-interference tech, it's built to handle complex environments. Plus, with a 42-minute flight time, 23,000 feet service ceiling, and an all-weather design, the Evo Max is a serious contender for those who need more than just a camera drone. This isn't just a DJI alternative, it's a whole new level of professional drone tech. The Auto Robotics Evo 2 Pro is an excellent choice for capturing stunning shots of your surroundings, action scenes, and more, thanks to its 6K imagery produced by a 20MP 1-inch CMOS sensor with an adjustable aperture range of f/2.8 to f/11. It features an advanced object tracking system that can track up to 64 objects simultaneously with a max speed of 44 miles per hour. Its 19 sensor groups ensure obstacle avoidance even through challenging terrain. The drone's performance can be customized by adding various accessories, however, the price is a significant consideration. Depending on the bundle and any available sales, the cost can be substantial. For a typical US household, purchasing the Auto Robotics Evo 2 Pro or any high-quality drone, especially those that rival DJI, should be viewed as an investment. While the drone offers nearly 45 minutes of flight time and the ability to follow your bike or car, the price is the main drawback, although this is expected for a drone of this caliber. The Auto Robotics Evo 2 Pro is an excellent choice for capturing stunning shots of your surroundings, action scenes, and more, thanks to its 6K imagery produced by a 20MP 1-inch CMOS sensor with an adjustable aperture range of f/2.8 to f/11. It features an advanced object tracking system that can track up to 64 objects simultaneously with a max speed of 44 miles per hour. Its 19 sensor groups ensure obstacle avoidance even through challenging terrain. The drone's performance can be customized by adding various accessories. However, the price is a significant consideration. Depending on the bundle and any available sales, the cost can be substantial. For a typical US household, purchasing the Auto Robotics Evo 2 Pro or any high-quality drone, especially those that rival DJI, should be viewed as an investment. While the drone offers nearly 45 minutes of flight time and the ability to follow your bike or car, the price is the main drawback, although this is expected for a drone of this caliber. If you're interested in trying out FPV, first-person view, drone flying, the Beta FPV Cetus X kit is an excellent choice, especially for beginners. The kit includes everything you need to start, such as a transmitter and a basic set of goggles. It offers more power than the Cetus Pro model, and its multiple flight modes and speed settings make it a drone you can grow with as you gain experience. If you can push through the initial challenge of mastering the manual/acro mode and avoid motion sickness, the Cetus X promises an immersive flying experience. During testing, it required patience to get the hang of the more advanced flight modes, and crashes were inevitable. While the frame is designed to endure impacts, it did crack during our tests. Additionally, the video feed was susceptible to breakup and interference, and although it has a built-in DVR to record flight feeds, the Cetus X is not designed for still photography. The battery life is also a drawback, lasting only around 5 minutes. However, with enough power for basic freestyle tricks and all the necessary components to start flying, the Cetus X kit stands out as our top pick for first-time FPV pilots. If you're a photographer or videographer looking for a drone that offers something different, the Auto Evo Lite Plus might just catch your eye. Going head-to-head with the DJI Air 2S, the Evo Lite Plus doesn't just match its rival, it surpasses it in some key areas. It packs a 1-inch CMOS sensor that captures crisp 5.4K video at 30 FPS, delivering stunning low-light performance thanks to Auto's Moonlight algorithm. What really sets it apart? The adjustable aperture from f2.8 to f11, giving you total control over exposure and depth of field. Plus, with a flight time of up to 40 minutes, it outlasts the competition. But the real game changer is the 4-axis gimbal. It's the world's first, allowing vertical videos perfect for social media without compromising on quality. Add in Auto's Dynamic Track 2.1 for smooth subject tracking and the ultra-wide-angle obstacle avoidance, and you've got a drone that not only competes, but in many ways, leads. There you have it, 7 DJI alternatives that stand out in their own unique ways. Which one would you choose for your next aerial adventure? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching our video. Like and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.